Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Just like we've been doing for the last 16 years, today we're bringing you another powerful and time-saving tool. An Excel-based route planner that calculates driving distance with multiple stops. What makes this tool stand out is that it's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's built for real-world routes, ones with multiple stops along the way. Whether you're in logistics, field services, delivery operations, or just planning a long road trip, this tool helps you quickly calculate both distance and time between each leg of your journey. And it all happens directly inside Excel. This tool integrates with the Google Maps API, which allows it to calculate precise distances using full addresses or zip codes. The more detail you provide, the more accurate the results. And don't worry, if you haven't set up your Google Maps API key yet, we've created a separate video to walk you through that process step by step. Here's how it works. You'll start by entering your starting location and your final destination. Then, you can enter up to 5 stops in between. The tool automatically calculates the distance and estimated travel time from the starting point to the first stop, from the first stop to the second, and so on, until it reaches the final destination. Once your locations are entered, whether it's for 25 routes or 2,500, you just click the Calculate button. The tool will instantly generate the total driving distance and time for the entire trip, as well as a clear and structured breakdown of distance and time for each individual leg of the journey. It's a complete, organized view of the entire route from start to finish. We've been developing Excel-based driving tools for over 16 years, and we've now got more than 7,500 happy customers who use them to make smarter decisions every day. And if you want proof, feel free to check out our reviews. We've got over 130 5-star ratings on Google from users who love how easy and effective these tools are. It's truly made a difference in their workflow. If you're ready to give this a try, click the link in the description to download the Route Planner. And while you're there, take a look at some of our other Excel-based tools for logistics, distance calculations, and data organization. You might find something that fits perfectly into your daily operations. If you've got any questions or need a customized version of the tool for your workflow, our phone number and email are on the screen. And yes, when you call, you'll be speaking directly to Vinny, the mastermind behind everything we create here at Excel Distance Calculators. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another Excel tool or tutorial. Until next time, happy route planning.